We continue to track this system that's bringing the latest round of some rain across mid-Missouri, and it's really nothing more than a cold rain at this point. Latest look at FutureTrack's done a pretty good job at picking out exactly what's unfolded so far this morning. It looks like it's going to keep us away from any of those snowflakes, any meaningful amount of snowflakes here in some of our southern counties where it's just simply a little bit too warm. We've stayed away from it so far this morning, and it looks like now that we've got the sun shining on us here, albeit on top of some of these clouds, but still going to help temperatures out just enough, get away from that freezing mark here as we get into this morning. Already a little bit too far away from that, so we don't need a whole lot of help to stave off any of these snowflakes later on today. We'll hang on to that light rain, at least the chance of that, as we go all the way into this afternoon. I think that drizzle is going to be a little bit tough to shake off as we get into this afternoon and evening, so we may not be completely done with those umbrellas or those windshield wipers for that matter. Later on tonight, though, a lot of that starts to work its way off toward the south and east, and just how fast it does could be leading to some foggy conditions by tomorrow morning. We'll continue to track that. But looking at Commute Forecaster again, as we get into this morning, likely going to be a little bit tougher. You want to build in a couple more minutes here compared to that evening commute, as we're going to be tracking some wet roadways here, not only this morning, but again, that drizzle, just more so of a nuisance by this evening as we get into that commute. Tonight, though, I mentioned possibility, at least, of seeing some patchy fog developing. We're going to have to watch how fast that cloud cover starts to work its way off toward the south and east. If we can do it before sunrise, I think we got a pretty decent chance of picking up some of those foggy conditions by tomorrow morning. We'll have to watch any of those exposed road surfaces if we get all the way down to 28 degrees here tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, though, more sunshine looks to be in store for us across mid-Missouri. And that'll get us back into the middle 40s and maybe some upper 40s starting to show back up. Looking at that game day forecast again, more of the same here as those Tigers take on the Arkansas Razorbacks in that battle line rivalry. Again, kickoff at 11 a.m., so it's an early one. But temperature is going to be on the way up here as we go all the way through that game on Saturday, Sunday. Again, stop me if you've heard this before, we're back into the middle 40s with more sunshine in store. That'll carry us through about Monday into Tuesday. We got a chance at maybe warming up a few more degrees, maybe threatening 50 degrees as we get toward the middle of next week.